Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Such facility is being provided each at Ajmer and Udaipur. Stop. New visiting rooms were being constructed for meeting of prisoners with their relatives and other visitors. Stop. The state government was being approached for allocation of budget for establishing facility of video conferencing in jails at Kota, Bharatpur and Sri Ganganagar. Stop. Work order has been issued for purchase of 320 binoculars. Stop. 8 2G network jammers have been established at Central Jail, Jodhpur, and budget has been provided for establishing 4G network jammers in central jails at Ajmer, Bharatpur, and high security jail at Ajmer, and work orders in that respect have been issued. Stop para. Thereafter, when the matter was listed before this court on 6/2/2015, Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, State of Rajasthan, filed further affidavit on various aspects, especially about ratio of functional toilets and bathrooms in proportion to inmates' problem of overcrowding of jails, unfilled vacancies of regular staff, posting of medical officers, paramedical staff, and nursing staff in various dispensaries against unfilled posts. Steps taken by the state to take care of the major health problems of prisoners, such as skin HIV positive, creating of video conferencing facilities in all central jails, improving quality of food and breakfast, making provision of sweet to prisoners at least once in a week, revising the wages payable to the prisoners, and also about farming of new jail manual store. This court on that day observed that the steps taken by the state for improving the conditions of the jails are highly insignificant and a lot more needs to be done. Stop. Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, Government of Rajasthan was asked to file specific affidavit on 10 aspects detailed out in that order, most important of which was regarding payment of merger sum of rupees 10 per day to the prisoners for their working of 8 hours in breach of Article 23 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Affidavit which was filed by the Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, Government of Rajasthan on 12/3/2015 indicated that ratio of available bathrooms vis-a-vis number of prisoners was quite alarming. Stop. And for this, the affidavit also indicated that administrative sanction has been issued on 2/1/2015 for construction of 930 toilets and 901 bathrooms, wherefore budget of rupees 10 crores has also been sanctioned. Stop. Affidavit also indicated that formation of new jail manuals was in the process, for which Shri Shyam Sundar, retired IAS officer and former jail officer, has been assigned the task. Stop. 3 new open air jails have been established, thus raising number of such jails to 26. Stop. Proposals have been sent to the state government to fill up 845 vacant posts of jail staff. Stop. Requisition has been sent to Rajasthan Public Service Commission to fill up 3 posts of Deputy Superintendent of Jail and 48 of Assistant Jailers. Stop. Selection list of 6 assistant jailers has been received whose appointment orders are in a process of being issued. Stop. Letters have been written to the Medical and Health Department for filling up the vacant posts of medical officers and paramedical staff in the dispensaries attached to the jails. Stop. Special camps are being organized in jail for treatment of inmates of jails who are suffering from skin diseases. Stop. Budget has been provided for establishing of video conferencing facility in the jails at Shri Ganganagar and Bharatpur, and such facility has already been established in the jails at Ajmer. Stop. As regard quantity and quality of food given to the prisoners, it was given out that opinion of nutritionist is being obtained, and accordingly decision to increase quantity of dal and vegetables would be taken. Stop. Proposals have been mooted for changing the menu of the breakfast of prisoners so as to include bread and biscuits in addition to sprouted green and roasted gram chana. Stop para. Further order was passed on 23/2/2015 requiring affidavit of additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, State of Rajasthan. Stop. Thank you.